Class 10, Chapter 6, Triangles, Module 3 Continuation. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about the Pythagoras theorem. Now listen carefully. Last class we had discussed some problems related with the Pythagoras theorem. Now the remaining problems. This one is the last topic. Okay. Now the first question. Two poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stands on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Now listen carefully. Two poles AB equal to 11 meter and CD equal to 6 meter. Distance between both poles BD is equal to what? 12 meter. Then create a line segment CE parallel to line BD. So AE is equal to AB minus CD, which is same as what? BE. Now 11 minus 6, which is equal to what? AE 5 meter. Now in right triangle AEC, AC square is equal to EC square plus AE square. That is 12 square plus 5 square, which is equal to 144 plus 25 equal to 169. So AC is equal to what? 30 meter, which is the distance between their tops. Clear? Now the next question. D and E are points on side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Now listen carefully in this figure. Triangle ABC right angled at C. 2 points D and E are on side AC and AB. We need to prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Now for the construction, join the points D with B and E and point E with A. Now the proof listen using the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. In triangle ACE, AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. Put equation number 1. Now in triangle BCD, BD square is equal to DC square plus BC square. Put equation number 2. Now in triangle ABC, AB square is equal to what? AC square plus BC square. At last, in triangle DCE, DE square is equal to DC square plus CE square. Listen, all these triangles are right angle triangles. Now listen that question. AE square plus BD square is equal to, we need to prove what? AB square plus DE square. Substitute all that. That is AC square plus CE square plus DC square plus BC square. When you substitute from this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right side become what? AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus CE square. Now listen carefully. This LHS and RHS are equal. Hence the proof. Now the next question. The perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equal to or DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Given triangle ABC with AD perpendicular to BC. Also DB is equal to given 3CD. We need to prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Now for the proof, let BC is equal to X. CD plus DB is equal to what? Total BCX. Now as DB is equal to 3CD, which is given, CD plus 3CD is equal to X, that is 4CD is equal to X, then CD is equal to X by 4. Now next one, DB is equal to what? 3CD, that is 3 into X by 4 is equal to 3X by 4. Now listen, using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Now in right angle triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. That is AC square is equal to AD square plus what is that? X by 4 the whole square. Now AC square is equal to AD square plus X square by 4 square what? 16. Put equation number 1. Similarly in right triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. So AB square is equal to what? AD square plus what is DB? 3x by 4 the whole square. That is AB square is equal to AD square plus 9x square by 16. Put equation number 2. Now listen carefully. Subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. AC square minus AB square is equal to AD square plus x square by 16 minus AD square plus 9x square by 16. That bracket is important one since the sign is what? Negative there. Now AC square minus AB square is equal to what? AD square minus AD square minus of, listen carefully, minus into when you multiplied, plus x square by 16 minus 9x square by 16. Now AC square minus AB square is equal to x square minus 9x square by 16, common denominator. So AC square minus AB square is equal to minus 8x square by 16, which is equal to minus x square by 2. 8 and 16 are cancelled. Now cross multiply. 2AC square minus 2AB square is equal to minus x square. Now putting BC is equal to x. So x is what? BC. Minus 2AC square minus 2BC square is equal to minus BC square. So 2AC square plus BC square is equal to what? 2AB square. Hence, we proved that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Now the next question is very important question. Maximum mark 4 mark question is this one. Now the question listen. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now in triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle such that AB equal to BC is equal to AC. For the construction, draw an altitude AE such that E lies on BC and A is perpendicular to BC. Now listen carefully. Since it is equilateral triangle, when you draw the perpendicular, it bisects the side also. Okay. Now in triangle AEB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AE square plus EB square. Equation number 1. Now in triangle AED, using Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. Put equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, what is AE square? Each one having AE square. So from the first one, AE square is equal to what? AB square minus EB square. And second one, AE square is equal to what? AD square minus ED square. That two values we equated. Put equation number 3. Now since EB is equal to half of BC, so BC is same as what? AB also, since it is an equilateral triangle. So AB by 2. Now given condition, BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. So ED is equal to BE minus BD. Substitute the values, that is half of BC minus 1 by 3 of BC. Now take LCM as 6. Cross multiply, at last what we get? BC by 6. Since BC is same as AB, we can write it as AB by 6. Now ED is equal to what? BC by 6. Then which is same as AB by 6. So AD square is equal to, from that equation number 3, AD square is equal to what? Substitute all the values. AB square plus AB square by 36, that is each value you need to substitute, plus AB square minus AB square by 4. Now take a 36 as the LCM, cross multiply, that is AB square plus 36 AB square minus 9 AB square is equal to what? 28 AB square by 36. Lowest form is 7 AB square by 9. Now cross multiply. So what we get? 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay, students, listen. This one is very important question. Now the next question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Now listen carefully this figure. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, which is equal to what? A units. An equilateral triangle with one of its altitude. Let A be the side of the equilateral triangle. Therefore, BD is equal to DC is equal to BC by 2, which is equal to A by 2. Now we need to prove for AD square is equal to 3A square. That is any one of the side square. Now in triangle ABD, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. That is AB what? Side A square is equal to AD square plus BD what? BD is given A by 2 the whole square. So AD square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. That is A by 2 the whole square. Now AD square is equal to cross multiply 4A square minus A square by 4, which is equal to what? 3A square by 4. Now cross multiplied 4AD square is equal to 3A square. Hence we prove that 3 times the square of one of the side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes. Clear, students? Okay. Thank you.